A wide variety of genetic disorders are known in dogs, from brachycephaly, heart defects and epilepsy, to blindness and deafness. Genetic disorders can affect all organs and body parts and can lead to conditions that cause pain, such as organ compressions, malformations or deficiencies, all resulting in a life full of suffering. In the past 100 years, humans have bred dogs for many purposes. Not only did we breed dogs for various work, such as retrieving, hunting, or guarding, but we also bred dogs with exaggerated physical traits to achieve a certain look. The truth is, most dogs aren't needed for work anymore. Instead, nearly all dogs have been domesticated to become mere companions. Unfortunately, this meant that dog breeding had evolved from breeding for functionality to breeding for cuteness and good looks. Unfortunately, this practice occasionally yields undesirable results, including a higher incidence of certain hereditary defects, deformities, or infirmities within a given breed. Here are 10 common dog breeds and their potential health issues. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Number 10, the Bull Terrier. In 1915, the Bull Terrier had a medium-length snout with a well-defined skull. Now when you compare this picture to the modern Bull Terrier, the difference is shocking. In just a few short decades, the Bull Terrier developed a mutated skull with an infamous egg-like or football shape. It's not just the misshapen skull, but also the abdomen, which has been bred to be a lot thicker than in Bull Terriers of the past. Number 9, the Boxer. Boxers are brachycephalic dogs, meaning they have pushed-in faces. Like many brachy breeds, the Boxer's already short muzzle has been bred even shorter over the years, and slightly upturned as well. Brachy's have difficulty breathing and controlling their body temperature, which often places extreme limitations on their physical abilities. Number 8, Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. For the Cavalier King Charles Spaniel, the small skull size for which they were bred reduces the space required to fit the entire brain. As a result, the brain is compressed, giving rise to two different disorders, syringomyelia and the Chiari malformation, that have been identified in 97% of these dogs. Symptoms include severe headaches, vision problems, balance problems, dizziness, and even hearing loss. Number 7, German Shepherd. They were once one of the most elegant, majestic dog breeds in the world. German Shepherds are commonly afflicted with severe skin allergies, inflammatory bowel disease and hip dysplasia because of their sloping back, and congenital heart disease, and degenerative spinal cord disorder that leads to paralysis and eventually death. And they are prone to cancer. Number 6, the Basset Hound. The Basset Hound is another breed that's been hit hard by dog deformities. The ears have become comically long and their body hangs much closer to the ground thanks to their significantly shorter legs. Unfortunately, this new look of the Basset Hound has led to a lot of health issues, such as multiple joint disorders, including hip and elbow dysplasia. Over time, these conditions make them less likely to stay active. It's a huge reason why Basset Hounds are highly prone to obesity. Plus, the droopy eyes of the Basset Hound aren't ideal either, as it tends to lead to frequent eye infections and sometimes corneal disease. Number 5, Dachshund. Dachshunds a century ago had short but functional legs and necks in proportion to their overall size. Since then, they have been bred for longer backs and necks, jutting chests, and legs so short their bellies barely clear the floor. Dachshunds have the highest risk of any breed for intervertebral disc disease, which can cause paralysis. They are also prone to dwarfism-related disorders, progressive retinal atrophy and leg problems. Number 4, the Shar-Pei. Shar-Peis are predisposed to chronic health issues, which can lead to complications if left untreated. The body structure of a Shar-Pei is quite deformed, that is responsible for the health concerns it develops. The wrinkled, thick skin traps moisture, causing bacterial infections and a bunch of other skin conditions. Additionally, Shar-Peis may also suffer from various eye diseases and severe kidney disease. Number 3, the French Bulldog. French Bulldogs commonly have deformities of the bones of the spine. These can lead to pressure on the spinal cord, resulting in progressive pain and loss of hind limb function and incontinence. The short-nosed shape of the French bulldog skull causes breathing difficulties and knock-on effects which cause chronic discomfort and respiratory distress, which can be life-threatening. Number 2, the English Bulldog. The English Bulldog ranks second in congenital diseases and related deaths among puppies, due mainly to a number of conformational birth defects such as flat chests, splayed legs and cleft palates. Numerous other health problems are common to the breed, involving the dog's teeth, skin, heart, eyes, and immune system. Brachycephalic or short-headed syndrome, which produces upper respiratory problems, is a leading cause of health problems and deaths among English bulldogs. The breed also is prone to chondrodysplasia, a skeletal disorder that may result in hip and elbow dysplasia as well as other joint and spinal problems. Number 1, the Pug. Due to the size and shape of their faces, pugs are often prone to respiratory problems. These breeds have small nostrils, a thin trachea and an elongated soft palate, and this combination can lead to severe breathing difficulties. Pugs, with their bulging eyes, are also at risk of eye problems, an eye can even pop out of its socket in the most severe cases where there is an accident or fight with another dog. Would you adopt one of these pups? Let us know in the comments below. And that brings us to the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for much more. Thank you for watching.